Today you're probably wondering what we're doing. Today, first one to leave this house has to get spanked.
First one to escape this escape room gets a mystery prize.
What's the prize?
You don't know yet. It's a mystery. But could be bad. Could be good.
Could be ugly.
Could
be good, Diddy.
Yeah.
What's up, man?
But like, how hard
could it be? Because realistically, all we need to worry about is our power cable. And then that's it.
Power cable. And that's all we need.
It's right there.
Okay, so step number one.
Step number one.
Powder cable.
So like this is for the camera. Camera.
Which we should probably be using.
Yeah, we probably should be. Yeah, whenever that runs out. Get away from me, dude. This one, okay. What's this? This is your European outlet, bruh.
Switching adapter.
Oh, never mind. What the fuck is that from?
This might be for LG. Are those LG? No, it's Logitech. LG. What do we have that's LG? Oh, the monitor.
Okay. Oh, yeah. So that goes into the monitor.
That is the controller.
Controller, okay. Like Xbox controller?
Yes.
Okay, controller.
When I was building this desk, I got 3 screws left over, but hey, it's pretty intact.
XBZ?
No. Oh, fuck, I wish we got the cable sleeves, Daddy.
It's okay. Oh, what's this? Antenna? For what?
That's for the Wi-Fi. That makes the Wi-Fi go faster.
Do we need this?
Yeah. So if we plug that in, the Wi-Fi that we're going to be using is going to make it go faster.
Okay. What? This is the Wi-Fi faster machine?
That's the Wi-Fi faster machine. I'm not sure how much it actually works, but hey, better than nothing. You know what they say? Better than nothing is better than something.
I'm guessing that goes right here.
Yeah. Let's go right there, just like that.
You like how I'm screwing it in?
Yeah, you're screwing it in just right.
You like how I screw you?
Don't.
No, I'm talking to the thing.
Oh. Yeah, I'll do. I'm gonna plug your Mac in there. With that being said, I'm going to then plug everything else into the power block.
You look like a power block.
No, I don't. Now what am I holding?
My balls.
Ah.
Got you.
If you could be one piece of cord, what kind of cord would you be?
I'd be a power cord.
That is also HDMI.
For real?
This goes in here because I remember this one specifically was hard to take out because I wasn't pressing the button.
Bro, where'd the fuck that shit go to?
I know it goes in here. That's for fucking sure. Uh-oh. One says HDMI, one says double penetration, and so does the other two.
The one says double penetration?
Yeah, it says DP.
Oh, it's mine. I'll put my initials on it.
Your initials are double penetration?
Yup.
I think if I were to be a cord, I would be a USB-C. You know, it's like kind of the new chic. It's the new vogue. Everyone is changing to it. It's ahead of its time. It's kind of like me.
That's actually a good shout.
What can I say? I'm really good at saying cool things.
Oh yeah? Give me a cool freestyle.
Yeah. Me and Damian are building the PC. Yeah. I hope we don't mess these up. Yeah. Give me uppy, mommy, please. If you were in office, what kind of object would you be?
I'd be the vending machine down the hall with all the snacks.
I'd be the stapler.
A stapler? Could you do that one more time? Disconnect that one more time. Just so we make sure everything's running nice and neat.
Ever.
Here you go. Wait.
In one of these. Have you guys ever seen someone build a PC in under an hour? But you haven't.
I bet you haven't. Haha. Guess what? We did it. Who did it? We did it.
You guys thought we were stupid?
We're actually smart as fuck.
We're actually the smartest. What is that?
I don't know. You thought we were scared?
Dude, they literally thought we got scared.
You guys got pranked. You're fucking stupid.
You guys literally thought we got scared. I don't think we've ever been scared.
The only thing I'm scared of is being scared one day.
Yeah. Remember one time when we went to Halloween, we went to Fear Farm? And they freaking tried to scare us. Yeah. And we were like, bro, like, we were like, bro, scared.
We're like, bro, you're funny. You're funny for that, you know?
Yeah, we were literally walking around like showing our shruggers.
Ski ween ski. What are you doing? What the fuck?
Did you get scared?
Fuck no, I don't get scared of nothing.
Me either. Like that.
Oh yeah.
So they don't get under.
Underwear.
Under there? I mean, wait. Oh, he already said it. We need to hire Lito, the professional PC cleaner. Bro, once I get the cable sleeves,
yeah,
it's gonna be like 3 freaking.
I mean, hell yeah, bro.
Please ignore
my dear Aunt Sally.
The cable management, ignore that.
It's gonna get better. It's only gonna get better, okay, Chad? Look, matter of fact, let's just put a cardboard box right there. Let's make this Kenny and Damian challenge organized challenge. Okay, Mike is connected.
Who's Mike?
Mike Wazowski.
Or do you mean Mike Ock? I love building stuff with you.
There we go. Just like how we build our relationship.
Yeah, we built it from the ground up.
Bro, I think that's it.
Nobody even knows the tough times we went through, like when you stole my bike.
I didn't steal your bike, bro. You've tried to frame me.
Oh, did you hear that?
This guy.
What?
Well, you're gonna burn a hole through the ground, bruh.
What are you talking about? I literally scooted my shoe.
No, I heard you. You literally farted. Moment of truth, Kenny.
Oh, it's off. There's no way we did this first try, baby girl.
I think we did. I think there is a way, Kenny. I think there is a fucking way.
I'm scared. I'm scared. Oh my god.
I think there is a fucking way.
Oh, what about that one? Okay. What about that one?
Wait.
Please.
Please, please, please. Please, please. Fuck!
Signal. Okay, wait. Don't worry, guys.
Don't worry,
we know
Chad.
what we're doing. We've done this 1,000 times. We've literally been here before.
Let's go! I'm gonna go pee. I'm sorry. I'm gonna go pee. Let's see if there's anybody. Do you want to hear me pee hard? I'm gonna pee as hard as I can.
Okay.
Much better. Wow, that was good.
How come you didn't let me come in?
Because last time I let you come in the bathroom, you did that one thing, and like, I don't think I'm all comfortable with you being behind me anymore.
Come on, dude. You know I didn't mean it.
Welcome back to our setup. Today we are going to be exploring different sexualities.
I already know mine.
What is yours?
I am not gonna disclose. But what I will say is I cannot wait to start decorating the place.
Me too, bruh. Chat, I know it looks like an office right now.
Just right now.
Slowly but surely, we're gonna start making this place feel like home. And we're gonna, I'm so freaking excited.
We're about to show you guys what it's gonna look like in our streams, baby, and all our sit down, baby, all our for real.
You guys are gonna see the vibes, and you're gonna see them instantly. Here you go. What the fuck? POV, you're looking under someone's skirt. Chad, y'all ain't ready, bruh. Look, oh, let's say we scored a banger. Oh, let's fucking go. God damn, get that in the back. Oh.
We have so much room for activities.
Look, bro, we can play bowling. With that being said,
The world is yours, baby.
Everything in it.
Sometimes when I'm feeling low, you got what I want.
What they doing, bro? Oh my God, somebody just got Kenny. El diablo, pero alguien se acaba de robar a Kenny. Ah, no, pero ahí está. El diablo, pero se lo volvieron a robar. Ah, no, ahí ya regresó.